Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Statistics. And guys, I'm very grateful to you all because you guys are supporting my channel. Thanks for supporting me. And today I'm going to share how to fix the problem of Windows Defender not working in Windows 10 and 11. Okay, and let's go jump to the lesson. Okay, this is for the Windows 11 user. Go to the start button, then after go to search, then tap their setting. You can find our settings there, and in the setting tab go to his apps. Okay, then after go to the install apps, then search there Windows security. You can find out, okay, down and go to triggers and go to the advanced option. Then after you must confirm that this app permission, okay, should be always turned on. Then after background apps permission, you can choose always or power optimal recommended. Okay, then after scroll down, then after just click the repair button and check it fixed or not. If not, then after you can come to this. Okay, then after reset it once more and again restart your computer and try it work fixed, try it fixed or not in your system. Okay, if not, then after I have next solution that is for Windows 10 and 11 both users, and follow the steps and I hope the problem may be fixed. Go to the start button, then after search the command prompt and right click and run as administrator. Yeah, I'm going to zoom it. Then after we have to type command, okay, because I have given description box and in the screen also. Type sfc space / then scan now, hit enter. Then after this command scans all the file systems of a computer and fix the problem. After completing this, okay, then after we have to just restart our computer and check the Windows Defender worked or not. If not, then after jump to the next command. Okay, in the command box and type there DISM in capital, then space / then after type online and after space / clean off dash image. Okay, then after image, then after space, then / and restore health. Okay, this command restores the health of your operating system OS, and then after this again became the fresh as we installed before, and this may take about 15 or 20 minutes to complete this command. Okay, and it depends on your processor, your computer, and after completing this, okay, then after you have to just restart and check whether the problem fixed or not. I think maybe this problem may be fixed. If not, then after let me know in the comment box, and I'm waiting for your valuable response. And thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.